Hello everyone, to fix this problem on your Discord, I will show you guys how to do this in this video. Just follow me till the end. So first guys, you don't need to open your Discord, just go ahead and open your settings of your device. After that, go directly and open apps option, and right here on your apps option guys, you have to search for Discord. Open Discord like this and scroll down until you found storage. Right here guys, be careful, don't click on clear data because it will delete all your data. On Messenger, click just on clear cache, then go back, click on first app and click OK, then go to battery, make sure that it is on optimized mode and go right now to set as a default. Open supported links like I'm doing, go back and go to permission and allow all this. You have to give them permission and then go to your Play Store. Make sure that your Discord is updated and then restart your phone. That's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing our channel. See you in another video.